morning everyone. You are watching News Movement English channel. Welcome to this channel. I am Rashpriya Kaur and I am welcoming to all of you in News Movement English channel. Navratri has already started on 17th October. Most of Hindus will follow the rule of Navratri. It is said that it could not be completed until and unless Kuwari Kanya, girls of below 10 years, are not worshipped on Ashtami, that is on 24 October. Unfortunately, on one hand, we are worshipping Devi Durga to have the power of protest against corruption, and on the other hand, we are losing the power of protest. We have become self-centered. We are waiting for our term to come. We are thinking the culprits will not commit crime on our daughter. We are afraid of even commenting. We have turned deaf ears to the carry calls of the Fufi of Alkama Fatma in the premises of Baranpur Gurdwara Girls High Secondary School. She openly asked for help to know who are culprits. Till now, none has responded. In such circumstances, I do remember some lines of ghazal in Hindi of the film Pyasa, which are as follow: यह महलों का, ये तख्तों का, ये ताजों की दुनिया, ये इंसान के दुश्मन समाजों की दुनिया, ये दौलत के भूखे खाजों की दुनिया, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या, हर एक जिस्म घायल, हर एक रूह प्यासी, निगाहों में उलझन, दिलों में उदासी, ये दुनिया है ये आलम बदवासी, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या, यह एक खिलौना है ऐसा ही हस्ती, ये बस्ती है मुर्दे परस्तों की बस्ती, यहाँ पर तो जीवन से है मौत सस्ती, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या, जवानी भटकती है बदकार बनकर, जवान जिस्म सजते हैं बाजार बनकर, यहाँ प्यार होता है व्यापार बनकर, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया जहाँ आदमी कुछ नहीं, वफा कुछ नहीं, दोस्ती कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ प्यार की कद्र कुछ नहीं है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, जला दो इसे फूंक डालो ये दुनिया, जला दो जला दो जला दो, जला दो इसे फूंक डालो ये दुनिया, मेरे सामने से हटा लो ये दुनिया, तुम्हारी है तुम भी संभाल लो ये दुनिया, दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है। Congress Archkil Committee Honorable Mr. Harjit Singh, Working President of Paschim Bardhaman, and Debesh Chakravarti, President of Paschim Bardhaman Congress. It was held under the leadership of Prem Narayan Singh, N.B. Paul, Mukhtar Singh, Indrani Mukherjee, Bijoy Singh, Gauri Sankar Singh, Srikant Shah, and other leaders of Congress were present. They were of the view that torture on minority has increased in the regime of TMC. Pandal Sadi was provided to 4,000 needy mother and sister under the Bashan Paro Ma program at Bankola Indra Chowk Club premises on behalf of Chaura Zone Trimul. Congress of Pandeshwar Assembly continuously on the basis as chief guest on the occasion. President of West Bardhaman District Trinamool Congress and Mayor of Asansol Municipal Corporation and MLA of Pandeshwar Assembly continuously Jitendra Kumar Tiwari and wife Chaitali Tiwari. Daughter Palvi Tiwari, President of Pandeshwar Block Trinamool Congress, Narendra Nath Chakravarti, Rupesh Yadav, President of West Bardhaman District Youth Trinamool Congress, West Bardhaman District Council, Karma President Anubha Chakravarti, Jila Parishad, were present in the occasion.
ব্যবস্থা করেছেন যাতে এসে আপনারা সবাই একটা করে বস্ত্র এখানে পেতে পারেন, বস্ত্র ধারণ করতে পারেন। আমি বলছি না বা আমরা কেউই বলি না যে একটা শাড়ি না দিলে আপনাদের পুজো হবে না, কিন্তু এর পিছনে যে মূল চিন্তা থাকে যে দুর্গা পুজো মানেই আমরা ছোট থেকে দেখে এসেছি মা দুর্গার আমরা আরাধনা করব, পুষ্পাঞ্জলি দেব।
Paschim Bang's Bawri Samaj Committee demands hanging of Manish Balmiki, culprits of Andal. Ras subbed the gang rape and physical torture of a Dalit girl in hospital during the treatment. After this incident, the whole country was angry. Protest rally were organized by social and political organizations in different parts of the country. In the same sequence on Sunday, a protest rally was organized by Paschim Bang Bawri Samaj Kalyan Samiti in Kajoda Bazar of Andal police station area. Barabani on behalf of the Sankalp Seva Samiti Charanpur More Malipada, young and old women and children handed over clothes to them. The event was concluded keeping in mind the social distance. Officer in charge of Barabani Police Station, Aridan Mandal, Barabani Panchayat Samiti Vice President Sukumar Sadhu, former Head Minister of the Mahani Primary School, Shivnath Chakravarti, Natya Sri Nar Pradeep Sadhu. Barabani block, about 500 sari were distributed by TMC in Charanpur and Faridapur village under Domhani Gram Panchayat today. Barabani block president Asit Singh, Santosh Singh, Nimani Mitra, Barabani Panchayat Samiti member Sukulesh Bawri. Report by Manoj Sharma from Barabani. Purulia, October 18. In view of Durga Puja, Tufan Rai, deputy head of Adra Gram Panchayat of Purulia district, distributed saris and other garments among about 700 helpless people in lower Benishal of Adra. It is noteworthy that since that time of lockdown, Tufan Rai has been feeding the beggars around the Adra station, including the beggar. This time, in view of Durga Puja, he collected money with the help of all his association and distributed clothes for happiness of the poor.
का नाम क्या है?
कंचन देवी
यहीं रहती हैं?
जी।
आपका नाम?
मम्मी ने
आपको ये जो कपड़े मिले,
हाँ
आपको कैसा लग रहा है कपड़े पाकर?
ठीक है।
जिन्होंने आपको कपड़े दिए
The organizer named Santu Nag, Ulf Sachin, Institute teacher Amit Paswan, Boys Committee, Abid Ansari Gold, Piyush Prasad Silver, Deepak Das Bronze, Avijit Mal Panchari Gold, MD Chef Silver, Tashin Khan Bronze, Sajdeep Rajdeep Kar Gold, Nishan Paul Silver, Sonam Nag Bronze, Tushar Paswan Gold, Aman Mandal Silver, Niju SK Bronze, Tajid Khan Gold, Ariban Dharkar Silver, Usin Mandal Bronze, Girls Committee, Anushka Kumari Gold, Tithi Datta Silver, Poonam Mal Panchari Gold, Mishran Khatun Silver, Sutiti De Gold, Pooja Kumari Silver, Jayanti Chaudhary Gold, Kaushik Nag Silver. 3rd Bardhaman District Seiko Kai Karate Competition 14 October 2020.